Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of constantly refilling bottles or worried about water safety at home or the office, this video is for you. Today, I've picked the top 5 best water dispensers on Amazon in 2026, covering hot and cold options, bottleless systems, child safety features, and self-cleaning technology. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Euhomy Hot and Cold Water Dispenser, Top-Loading. The Euhomy Hot and Cold Water Dispenser is a top-loading water dispenser designed for 3 or 5-gallon bottles, ideal for both home and office use. This model keeps things simple and reliable. The top-loading design lets you easily see when the bottle needs replacement, and it delivers instant hot and cold water. The child safety lock on the hot water tap makes it family-friendly. Pros: hot and cold water on demand, child safety lock for extra protection, compatible with 3 or 5-gallon bottles, budget-friendly option. Cons: no room temperature water option, top loading can be heavy for some users. If you want an affordable and dependable water dispenser without fancy extras, the Euhomy model is a solid choice. Number 2. Brio 520 UV Self-Cleaning Bottleless Water Cooler. The Brio 520 is a bottleless water dispenser with built-in 2-stage filtration, UV self-cleaning, and 3 temperature settings: hot, cold, and room temperature. This is a premium option for people who care about water quality. It reduces PFAS and microplastics, and the UV self-cleaning system helps keep the internal lines hygienic. No heavy bottles required, just connect it to a water line. Pros: bottleless design, no refills needed. UV self-cleaning technology, reduces PFAS and microplastics, hot, cold, and room temperature water. Cons: higher upfront cost, requires waterline installation. Perfect for users who want clean, filtered water 24/7 and don't want to deal with water bottles. Number 3. Brio Bottom-Loading Water Cooler, Stainless Steel. This model features a bottom-loading design, supports 5-gallon bottles, and offers hot, room, and cold water with an LED display. The bottom-loading system eliminates heavy lifting, and the empty bottle alert is a very useful feature. The stainless steel finish gives it a modern, premium look. Pros: bottom-loading, no heavy lifting, empty bottle alert, LED display, sleek stainless steel design. Cons: slightly bulky, higher price than basic models. A great pick for offices or modern homes that want convenience and style. Number 4. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Dispenser. This model combines bottom-loading, self-cleaning technology, and 3 temperature settings in a black stainless steel design. The standout feature here is the self-cleaning system, which helps reduce bacteria buildup. It's easy to maintain and perfect for busy households. Pros: self-cleaning feature, bottom-loading design, hot, room, and cold water options, modern black stainless steel finish. Cons: pricier than non-self-cleaning models, no filtration system. If low maintenance and hygiene are your priorities, this Brio dispenser is a smart investment. Number 5. Primo Water Dispenser, Bottom-Loading Hot and Cold Water Cooler. The Primo water dispenser is a bottom-loading hot and cold water cooler designed for 5-gallon bottles. This model is known for its durability and ease of use. It's straightforward, reliable, and great for daily use in homes or small offices. Pros: bottom loading for easy bottle replacement, hot and cold water instantly, reliable and easy to use. Trusted brand. Cons: no room temperature option, no self-cleaning feature. A solid, no-nonsense option if you want reliability without extra features. So that's our list of the top 5 best water dispensers on Amazon in 2026. Whether you want a budget-friendly top loader, a high-end bottleless system, or a low-maintenance self-cleaning dispenser, there's something here for everyone. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment which water dispenser you like the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.